Ejabusia Nana Yaa Jantuah agine ni so. Wabede kanadwen atra Ghana for a omu complain say electricity bill. Ne boa ye dendodo. Eti abanye bibi fa ho no. Nana Yaa Jantuah abedi duo matem ama media nso omu abe blast no. Obuche say arrogance no ahantan na homaso no. Dwa no ya dos nti omu nye careful. Me wan kire mu no akire wadwen ama me. Ewo comment section. I you Penyah block media. Make sure say any day. Obe like video no other subscribe button and be click notification icon latest update. Number chira wa dey am e wo comment section so baso. No share force anya bi ahwe. So I was only me nyina dia dance yese. Sesi ya me no kese. Over Ghana hanom a the rate at which electricity bill keeps increasing, it is insane. Ano hye. Oka yes yan MP before na de Ghana echo IMF. But MPP no de Ghana call IMF no. Ne pens ni anto like we say. Sometimes common sense must work. Sometimes let's apply little bit of common sense in a discussion. MPP now de Ghana call IMF no. Or tina kunya so 2023 e de Ghana call IMF. 2023 kwa we 2024 kwa we. Ya anto to like be mu boom 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 ni jen say. Na bibia ye cool. Oto ana eche. Na ne bo so nya den on to bebre ba auto na eche. But now ye de mahama betina konwa so no light bill esinaviator auto credit na esinaviator na ne bo so de say tare ten ba o kan no mo say refer to MPP for MPP na de Ghana call IMF say MPP de Ghana call IMF from ka kire say 3 months bia yan to light bill mu anase nya adjustment na when ka say adjustment means increment say oman no light bill we Ghana for no moja abebusia enya no nko an dum so asa babak
omudum light na esa yentimi nye ejuma.
Rahina Tahir manages a washing bay in the central part of Tantra Hills in Accra. The business had been running smoothly until recently. Her business has now been plunged into difficulty due to frequent power fluctuations.
And every 3 days, omudum light.
3 days ago, the power went off here. And whenever that happens, we are unable to work. The workers also need money to buy food. The electricity keeps flickering.
Rahina is not only dealing with unstable electricity supply, but is also contending with damage to equipment as a result of the persistent power flickering.
Yesterday, one of our machines got damaged because of the power problem. We need immediate intervention.
Just across the road is a neatly set up barber shop. In the last few days, the business has also been hit hard by the power challenges. Its owner, Prince Osei, says he is deeply concerned.
It has been going on for like 1 week now, and when it goes off like in the morning, it will come like 5. By that time, all the customers will be gone, so business will go down, and you won't get a lot of money at the end of the day.
For many residents, the power situation is unusual as the area has over the years enjoyed relatively stable electricity supply. Areas including Mile 7, Achimota, Tantra Hills and surrounding communities are all affected. According to residents, the situation is seriously disturbing daily life and business activities.
When I realized the power was flickering, I decided to switch off my fridge and TV set. But the items in the fridge had already spoiled.
When it comes to the house, we store a lot of goods in the fridge and all that. So for 3 days now, our meat and then chicken got spoiled and all that, and it really costs us.
We use lights to do everything, and when the power goes off, no one comes here again, and it has slowed down our business.
They are therefore calling for urgent intervention to help keep their businesses afloat.
I want them to work on it for us. They should work on it for us because it is affecting our. It is affecting our business.
I want them to do something quick about it because we depend on this, and if they slow down, we have nowhere, and we the employee, we have nowhere to go.
For small business owners like Rahina and Prince, stable power is not just a convenience but the lifeline for their livelihoods. As they wait for a solution, many hope the challenges will be addressed quickly before the impact on businesses becomes even more severe. For Joy News, Fatah Bayaga, Tantra Hills, Accra.
Ama even dooms or come to say dooms on the first one is Uncle MPP, a Nepo. Nepo be energy minister. Nepo be energy minister, and was say honomo. And I'm a doom so episode back. Just say they don't want to take blame. They are always shifting blame. Okasi Mahama first term 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16. No doom so honor almost say Mahama ever two doom so and was solve ye. But Mahama ever two doom so. Obeji akonya for the one sem obeji free or no ankasa or near Tamesis sem because not Tamesis so na Mahama and the vice president. Eti Mahama beji adidie no. Every or no ankasa any Tamesis sem. But I just want me a brand there to me catch the Ghana for say Mahama betu doom so and was solve ye. Come on. Ewom catch them say I shouldn't use some foul language on my statement. Just Kameka said, let's apply common sense. Yes, you ya adwene kakra na yanyamo ayi nipa yenyu ya adwene kakra yenwene kakra enipa na no obi na tie akonya so ena panyin na freeze na wo wasa ato aso wo se obetu dum so na ye hwan na wo wo na na muomu edu betu na wo so wo betu fre hin ne hwan na de baaye bra we say am no gase no dum so asa ba abontene amala bebo ayeden ama Ghana fo na o e complain na Ghana fo complain no ana na ya Jantuah obaka ya ono ana 2023 got na TV3 eko sun ye any Adum TV on mu ko sun ye ese dokono boa ye den Ghana fo ntimi to dokono boa ye den okosun TV3 said de na busuafo awu okosun ma mpanyin ko tano kusun ye be ba ye no ye busan say dokono boa ye den so say ye kinki woja to on to dokono woja dokono di na ya Jantuah so woja dokono di wasa ko tena Adum TV ho no mo ama ene wakoye kana adwen akire omo kire se labe boy don kire masa munya se moto 1 million ni 2 beto atobo 10 million 20 million to na kese
Ubeta ameni no ubeta ameni no aba papa ani anu na ebuado kosoro mo ubeta ameni
so no aso the PLC
on jebi ani edi money free that it ya no
na lighting crofo se the boy den dodo
sawo
and now the one
that be hu se ne ye behwehwem so the last time the ye no ye ni ma bebre free kwa ma utilities no no munye happy mpo
nti eno podan crofo so yi
that be say ye share what's going on Mr. Tinsembia Tinsembia maka chem executive secretary ni say ye hwe because obo ho say 1 week 1,000 how a week for 1 week.
Any easy?
Oh no, that one is not a.
Uncrofoso so obia dia odia basisi o sekua payment pon say ye dum light here ni. And so light no so koto ane boarding den. Me say dum no.
Say a lot of monitoring to find out what is going on. Short I say because we catch them say 1,000 a week. Yeah, calculation boy news.
So more calculation.
I said the minimum and I said the normal emphasis 0 to 300. No, and most people are in that bracket. So could beyond that, but you not pay my church.
Oh, but yeah, because
a
matter of concern. And it's say a week could you have 500 Ghana cedis.
Oh, him no dear no you see we have to look at all that. It's not just Utria. We do a compound wiring with a problem. We need to look at all these things. Yes. What I say, me my kind see a shiny na. Oh, there will be cabling. Minimum be a penny movie or so to bear say 15,000. As I see a question in cabling, a billion OTI doesn't make sense. So I say 500 a week.
Yeah.
Everybody we should calculate consumptions for people to know the homo consume. And I say it every time. So turn to carry into the next bracket. What am I say?
Turn to say be a prepaid, you know. Now I got 20, I got 30, sana wokani. Just you turn the boom man.
I saw turn the boom. Now when him say me consumption 100 units. The consumption 200 units. The be on the price. What I say? We can't junction 50 units. We can't junction me a lifeline 0 to 30. Omo not netco areas no. You call for more lifeline. I have crossed over fear and say, we be our own one out. Oh, try our trick. We will say no, wait me a lifeline 0 to 12, 0 to 50, and then people for better so yeah 0 to 30.
Ton like here, now don't want me to do like that. Your coins, I don't know. Ton like here to 10 million boom, fine. What I say? Ton like say, I don't know that the ones out here will never use in the other day. Now I know. And our TikTok has just this is pure arrogance of power. It's almost a command actually no.
I was your for your Michelle Bibia. The arrogance in some funa every the appointees of this government Emma Ghana for anu eden in some fun and na NDC appointees catch Ghana for ebusia it is becoming unbecoming and is it Nana Yaa Jantuah presidential staffer or I see is it a Doom FM or something like that. Now this electricity board the issue na ye kano and no be na mami way ebe be na no or say Ghana for no mu Ghana for say ya munja prepaid new talk it na mu turn boom question say how many of us Ghana for a duma be na ya ye betumi top prepaid 5 million a month. Ubetumi atseka at 5 million prepaid a month. 2 million a month. 10 million a month. 2 million krasa 2 million krasa 1 week na san. 2 million there 1 week na san. She's opachere say yento or see yen guys are p3 2 city 20 Ghana 50 Ghana Henderson 2 cities prepaid nito. Na yento na boom. Boom boom boom. No wa bafuna mo kotu ye. Nti wo mu de o medidi amen. Eti condition akese car akese mu na nkofu we driving. Nti nsem fun bia e be fi o ma no bia no they come out and tell us. Inform prepaid ni bona eye de na ye ka uto a I say aviator fun na edwane no. Obia in the government appointee I be person papa bia be catching Ghana for apaya to say niama na the way kono ko yie no u be catching you say you are digging our old wounds catching you say ye njai prepaid ni ton get na ye ko ton ekese na mu 24 hours 133 job no kra e bi ba ye nti e benya dwuma no wahin na ya nya seka no akoto prepaid no boom 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 10 million 20 million na mo kana obuzia it is sad. This is a country that we live in. Nkofo na omudi many there you can come umbetuma ba ye de na ye wo ho no ye umbetuma ba nche na umbetufu bi a kire ye na omukọ. This is the country we are living in. Nana Yaa Jantuah betuma sorry abe tufu akire say yenjai prepaid into na sikabe na mudi ama ya because mudi dia mint no obisia mind see nsema ami weka
Ubeta meni no ubeta meni no aba papa
ani anu na ebu ado ko soro
ubeta meni
so no aso the PLC
on dia bi ani the money free
that it we no
na lighting crofo se the boy den to do
sao
and now they want
that be who say ye be hwehwem so the last time the ye no ye niema bebre free kwa utilities no munya happy mpo
nti eno product crofo so
there be say ye share what's going on Mr. Tinsem bia Tinsem bia maka chem executive secretary ni say ye hwe because we go say 1 week 1,000 how a week for 1 week.
Easy.
Oh no, that one is not a.
And na nkrofo so obi ade odi abasisi osekua payment pon say ye dum light ye ni so light no so koto ne boarding den me say dum no
say a lot of monitoring to find out what is going on. So what I say, because we catch them say 1,000 a week. Yeah, calculation gram boy news.
So more calculation.
I said the minimum and I said the normal infant says 0 to 300. No, and most people are in that bracket. So it could beyond that. But you not pay my myself church.
Oh, but yeah, because
it's
a matter of concern. And it's a week with 500 Ghana cedis.
Or him no you see we have to look at all that. It's not just utria. We do a wiring will fear a problem. We need to look at all these things. Yes. Oh, I say, me my kind see a shiny na. Oh, there will be cabling. Minimum be a penny movie or so to bear say 15,000. As I see a question in cabling, a billion OTI doesn't make sense. So I say 500 a week.
Yeah.
Me everybody we should calculate consumptions for people to know the more consume. And I say it every time. So turn to carry you into the next bracket. What am I say?
To say be a prepaid, you know. Now I got 20, I got 30, sana wokani. Just you turn the boom man.
So turn the boom. Now when say me consumption 100 units. Me consumption 200 units. It be our the price. What I say? Me consumption 50 units. Me consumption me a lifeline 0 to 30. Omo not netco areas no you go for omo ye lifeline aha cross o wo fie ne say we bia wo nkwa na wote wo tori a wo trick we say no we wait me a lifeline 0 to 30 0 to 50 and then people for better so ye 0 to 30
chire wadwe mame e wo comment section aha Penyah Media